What if I told you that you could use AI tools to create extra income without being a programmer or a tech expert? 30 days ago, I decided to run an experiment. I would spend just 1 to 2 hours every day using different AI tools to see if they could actually help me make money online. No expensive courses, no huge investment, just AI tools and a laptop. Some methods completely failed. Others surprised me, and by the end of these 30 days, I had learned a lot about what works and what doesn't. In this video, I'm sharing exactly what I tried, how much time I spent, and the results I got. Let's start with day 1. Phase 1, choosing the AI tools. I selected 4 AI tools: ChatGPT for writing and research, Canva AI for designs and social media content, 11 Labs for AI voiceovers, CapCut for video editing. My goal was simple. I wanted to see whether AI could help me create digital products, YouTube content, and freelance services faster than doing everything manually. I also set 3 rules. Rule number 1, spend no more than 2 hours per day. Rule number 2, use mostly free tools. Rule number 3, document every result honestly. At the beginning, I had 0 expectations. I wasn't sure if this challenge would make any money at all. Phase 2, Week 1. During the first week, I used ChatGPT to create blog ideas, YouTube scripts, social media posts, ebook outlines. I quickly realized something important. AI can create content incredibly fast, but it still needs human editing. The first few scripts sounded robotic. The designs looked generic. And honestly, I almost gave up. But then I changed my approach. Instead of asking AI to do everything, I started using AI as an assistant. That changed everything. I began creating better content in less time. I saved nearly 3 hours every day compared to doing everything manually. This was my first big lesson. AI doesn't replace you. AI makes you faster. Phase 3, Week 2. During Week 2, I decided to test freelancing. I created sample services, YouTube script writing, social media content creation, resume rewriting. Using ChatGPT, I could create drafts much faster. I also used Canva AI to design professional graphics. The surprising part? Clients don't pay for AI. They pay for results. The better I edited and customized the content, the more valuable it became. This was another major lesson. AI gives you speed. Your creativity creates value. Phase 4, Week 3. In Week 3, I focused on YouTube. I used AI to research trending topics, write scripts, generate voiceovers, create thumbnails, edit videos faster. A video that normally took 6 hours now took less than 2 hours. That was a huge productivity boost. I finally understood why so many creators are using AI. They're not replacing creativity. They're removing repetitive work. This allowed me to create more content consistently, and consistency is one of the biggest factors behind YouTube growth. Biggest mistakes I made. I also made several mistakes. Mistake number 1, trusting AI without fact-checking. AI occasionally provided incorrect information. Mistake number 2, trying too many tools at once. There are thousands of AI tools online. You don't need all of them. You only need a few that solve real problems. Mistake number 3, expecting instant results. AI can increase productivity, but it won't magically make you rich overnight. Success still requires effort and patience. The final results. After 30 days, here's what happened. I became significantly faster at creating content. I learned new skills. I built systems that saved me hours every week. Most importantly, I realized that AI is one of the most powerful productivity tools available today. The biggest return wasn't just money. It was time. And time is incredibly valuable. Because once you save time, you can create more projects, learn more skills, and open more opportunities. My biggest takeaway: if you're thinking about using AI, here's my advice. Don't ask, can AI make me rich? Instead ask, how can AI help me become more productive? Because productivity compounds. The person who learns faster, creates faster, and adapts faster usually wins. AI can become your assistant, your research partner, your editor, and your brainstorming tool. But you still need to provide the ideas and the execution. Conclusion. So, after 30 days of using AI, what did I learn? AI isn't magic. It's a tool. And like any tool, its value depends on how you use it. The people who learn to work with AI today may have a huge advantage in the future. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one AI tool. Use it consistently for the next 30 days. Then come back and tell me what happened. If you enjoyed this experiment and want more videos about AI tools, online income ideas, and productivity hacks, make sure to like this video, subscribe to AI Profit Lab, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video.